Hello everyone, welcome with me, Marisa. In this video, I will explain about operational versus analytical CRM. So CRM is customer relationship management. We have two categories of CRM. So in this video, I will explain about that. Basically, after you watch this video, you can explain the difference between CRM and analytical and operational CRM. And also you can explain the examples of operational and analytical CRM. Let's start with CRM definition. So, if the company wants to build relationship with the customer, of course the company have to know the behavior from the customers. For the example, what kind of channel the customer usually buy for the product or services offered by the company, and also what kind of channel that after buy product and then they give review or maybe complain, what kind of channel, call center or email or something like that, or even social media. So we have the definition of CRM, how company or organization can build relationship to customer, and then also understand what kind of product or services that customer wants from the organization or the company. So we have several customer touch points in here. For the example, when customer interact with our company by using our website or our application, or even they go to the store to buy our product. Nowadays because of the COVID-19 pandemic, they prefer to buy something online rather than go to the store. So basically we can analyze the behavior from the customer. For the example, okay, for customer A, they purchase one thing every week. For the example, what kind of thing? For example, gadget. Or customer B purchase like food supplies for their house every 2 days. For the example, like that. All kind of transaction captured by the system. So basically, that's how CRM works. Okay, now let's move to the two types of CRM. First one is about operational CRM. What is operational CRM? Okay, operational CRM support front-end business process. Means that when we interact with the customer, when customer buys something from our company, buy product or services from our company or organization, and then they interact by using website, mobile application store, and so on, we capture their behavior. Like I mentioned before, about once a week or every 2 days they buy things similar category, and then how many times they open our website, and when they open our website, what kind of menu they click. Because if we log in into e-commerce, for the example, we log into Tokopedia or Shopee or Bukalapak or something like that, and then after we log in, we click on the product that we want to buy and we add to the cart. After that, our transaction happens, and then captured by the system. So that's how CRM works. Next time, when we open Tokopedia by using the same login, they can recommend the product or services that usually match with our requirement, because they analyze our behavior in our lifestyle. Every we purchase something, we open something, and they track our behavior. That's how operational CRM works. After that, we have to analyze the behavior and moving for the strategy for this customer. So we move to analytical CRM. Operational CRM start with the front end relationship with the customer, while analytical CRM capture the back end of analyzing customer behavior. Not only read from customer touch point or customer facing application, customer touching application, but also analyze the big data from this customer. From this customer, we can design the marketing strategy, design the customer gathering event, for the example, or discount, or even a special product made for this customer because he or she is very loyal to our brand. That's how analytical CRM works. How can we analyze the CRM? By using CRM software. There are so many CRM software in the market, like Salesforce, or even we can use like analytical tools, free analytical tools in the website. We also can use the social media analytics to help us to analyze. But basically, we have so many tools of analytical CRM, especially CRM, yeah, and then they can read from the website. The most popular is Salesforce. When you go to salesforce.com, you can see the video of the product, and if you search on YouTube, there are several software of CRM that you can learn by yourself. Okay, that's all my explanation about CRM, and now it's your turn for the assessment. The assessment, you choose one company that you know. For the example, you pick one brand that you know, and then you explain what kind of operational CRM and analytical CRM from the company. After that, don't forget to discuss with your lecturer and submit to your lecturer. See if you answer right or wrong after you discuss with your lecturer. This is my reference to make this video. Thank you so much for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.